Hi, this is Frankie with Frankie's Garage, and I am here with Bill Thomas from Bill Thomas Enterprises. And I am here to ask him a couple questions about my axles. So, what's the brand name of the axles?
The brand is made by Yukon. It's marketed, sold under Randy's Worldwide. They make a real good alloy axle. I mean, these axles will withstand about 800 horsepower.
Dang. What are they made out of?
Well, it's alloy steel. It's better steel than the original. The original ones, they were good, but these are made better.
And so how much horsepower is this thing rated for?
Well, they should take up to 800 horsepower.
Oh, okay.
Because like I said, they're alloys. They're better than stock. Stock ones will go up to about 4, maybe 450. But these will go a lot more than that.
So why is one longer than the other one?
Because this particular rear end is known as Pinion Center. Means the pinion shaft and the drive shaft is right down the center of the car. In order to make it pinion center, the driver's side axle has to be 4 inches shorter. This is the driver's side and this is the passenger side. Anyway, they make cars that are pinion center, which all the leaf spray cars are like that. They make cars that are housing center, which are the coil spring cars, and then they make trucks that are off center. So they have three different measurements on axles. For instance, a truck, both axles are exactly the same length. On a housing center, the driver's side is 2 inches shorter than the passenger side, and on a pinion center, 4 inches shorter than the passenger side. So these are the right length for your original housing. And except they're a 31 spline and alloy steel, so they're an upgrade, a big upgrade from what you have in there now.
That's pretty much all the questions. I didn't have very many.
Yeah, the first thing on a brand new set of axles you want to do is pull the studs in. And I got the right tool to pull them in with an impact gun. The second thing would be to put the bearing on. And it's best to put them on with a press. And in my case, a 50-ton press gets the job done well.
So here's my new axles. I am so excited to get them installed, and I'll make sure to keep you guys posted on that. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!